Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to teach you a pencil shading landscape. Today I am going to teach you a concept as a foggy landscape. How you can make it a foggy landscape. Foggy landscape, a landscape which is not visualized very clearly. So I am going to use it one small paper stencil and my 8B pencil. Here I am going to make it few mountains cut up of a I'm going to make it a stencil. Here this is my cut off of a stencil. Here this is my cut off. Now I'm going to use it a backdrop for making it dark. Taking a pencil at the edges, you have to make it dark. Make it a dark tone at the edges. Take some piece of the paper so it cannot get on a paper. Here I made it dark. Now I'm putting on my original paper where I want to draw it. Here dribble your hand on an up direction. Same thing here. Hold it properly. It should not be as shaky. Again here. It should be a dark tone pencil. Here you can see one mountain I did it. Now I'm going for another. Even also you can use your tissue paper, cotton if you don't want to make your hand dirty. Again my mountain range is ready. Now I'm going to make it one more range which is settled in the between. One more here. One more downside. Here you can see. Now I'm going to make it. This is my foggy mountains. Now I'm going to make it one way which is coming back from the mountain here. This is a wave which is coming out. few light shading with a pencil. Few bushes. Till end of the edge of the road. Same thing here. Even also you can make it a pine trees. By using our dark tone pencil. First put it in a slanting mode and then center it straight and again slanting. Same thing here. Slanting, straight and slanting. Again slanting, straight and slanting. Again slanting, straight and slanting. When it goes upside, you have to make it in a light mode. Again one more small at the downside. First you have to go slant, straight and slant. Again slant, straight and slant. Again here. Again here. Now here, as I say to you, it is a foggy climate, so I am going to make it a light. A light one, which is far away. Here I am going to make it medium. Here I made it dark, which is very closest to me. Here you can make it small, a very light one, which is back hidden. Again same thing here. Again here, one small on a way. Few dark toning. Few hand toning on the mountains to show the grasses. Even also you can show the layers of the mountain. Using an eraser. Few on a way. Few sky with a hand toning. Here my foggy atmosphere is ready.